Okay, this video, it's 2 p.m. on a Tuesday, and it is dark outside. And I'm gonna be kind of amazed and show you the street and kind of talk about it a little bit. Apologies for the poor phone being the same, so it doesn't have to stabilize just like the GoPro. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Believe it or not, it's 2 p.m. right now, and it's like nighttime. It's really strange. Everybody has their headlights on. It's been raining very hard. So let's look at this sky. It's like unbelievable. 2 p.m. So yeah, we're here in Macau. It's been raining. Last night it was raining real hard all night long, and then today it's like 2 p.m. I just was looking at the news, and there was flooding in parts of the city, and I don't have my regular camera with me today, but it's just kind of unbelievable how dark it is. It feels like it's nighttime. I don't know if I'm capturing it very well on the camera or not. My apologies, I'm using my cell phone, and I'm not using my, usually I'll use like a stabilizer, so I don't have that with this one. But anyways, amazing. 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Never seen it this dark before at 2 p.m. Never. Amazing. Keep on walking. Might as well show you a little bit of Macau while we're at it. So we're kind of walking down this. I'll label the street accordingly. And I wish I had my GoPro camera. Look at that. It's like totally dark outside. Those are casinos. Looks like it's like 6:30 in the evening or something like that. The sun just went down. 2 p.m. Okay. Anyways, I think we'll do. Let's walk down a little bit, and I guess this is in this area called Nape. I just can't believe it's like 2 p.m. right now. It's like so dark out. Let's go a little bit further. I'll show you this one park, and then I'll show you the street sign so you can kind of get a context of where we are. But yeah, it's just okay. So the name of the street that we're on is right here. Okay.